Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Chevrolet Spark is probably one of the most affordable and fuel-efficient subcompact cars on the market, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers and city dwellers alike. Its compact size makes it incredibly nimble and easy to maneuver through tight urban streets and park in small spaces, while its surprisingly spacious interior for its class offers comfortable seating for 4 adults. With a peppy engine and a surprisingly smooth ride, the Spark delivers a fun driving experience that belies its economical nature, proving that practicality doesn't have to mean boring. Number 5. MAS Performance HEI Distributor Red Cap Wiring Kit. Introducing the MAS Performance HEI Distributor, designed to enhance your engine's power and reliability. This kit includes a vibrant red cap and a complete wiring solution for a seamless installation. Engineered for a wide range of Chevrolet and GMC vehicles, including popular models like the C10 and various SBC and BBC engines. It's also compatible with select Oldsmobile, Pontiac, and Buick models. Featuring a durable construction with gears made from specially treated 20CR steel, this distributor is built for longevity and resistance to wear. It's designed to withstand the demands of your engine. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for an upgraded ignition system. It includes a high-performance 65K coil and 90-degree boots for both the distributor and spark plugs, ensuring a clean and efficient setup. We stand behind the quality of our product. This distributor comes with a 1-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase and ensuring your engine runs smoothly for years to come. Easily identify the correct part for your needs with multiple compatible manufacturer part numbers listed. This ensures you're getting the exact upgrade your engine requires. What we like. This ignition system upgrade is designed for enhanced spark and reliability. It features a high-energy ignition distributor with a vibrant red cap and a comprehensive wiring kit. If you're looking to boost performance and ensure a strong spark in your classic Chevy or GMC V8, this is a solid choice for older engine builds. What people say. The Chevrolet Spark is a great car for city driving, with a small turning radius and easy maneuverability. It has a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, with comfortable seating for 4 adults. The infotainment system is user-friendly, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Number 4. MAS Ignition Coils and Spark Plug Set. Upgrade your vehicle's ignition system with this comprehensive set. It includes everything you need for a powerful and reliable performance. Experience enhanced engine efficiency and power. This set is designed to deliver optimal performance for your V8 engine. Designed for a wide range of Chevy, GMC, and Cadillac models. Please verify fitment for your specific vehicle. Please note that coil shape can vary due to mid-year manufacturer changes. Confirm your vehicle's production month before ordering to ensure you receive the correct part. Easily verify compatibility by using the provided interchangeable part numbers. This ensures you get the exact replacement you need. These parts are a direct replacement for specific OEM part numbers, ensuring a seamless installation and proper function. What we like. This is a complete ignition tune-up package, including 8 ignition coils, platinum spark plugs, and wires. It's designed to replace common failure points and restore optimal engine performance. If your V8 Chevy or GMC is experiencing misfires or a loss of power, this kit offers a convenient, all-in-one solution for a full ignition system refresh. What people say. The Chevrolet Spark is a great car for city driving, with a small turning radius and good fuel economy. It has a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, with comfortable seating for 4 adults. The infotainment system is user-friendly, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Number 3. MAS Ignition Coils, Spark Plugs, and Wires Set. Revitalize your vehicle's ignition system with this comprehensive set. It includes everything needed for a full replacement, ensuring optimal performance. Experience enhanced power and efficiency. These premium components are designed to improve fuel economy and provide a longer service life for your V8 engine. Designed for a seamless installation, this kit meets or exceeds original equipment specifications. You can rely on its performance and ease of fitment. This set is compatible with a wide range of Chevy, Cadillac, GMC, and Hummer models. Please check the fitment details to ensure it's right for your vehicle. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. This kit is a direct replacement for common part numbers like UF414 and 125731190, ensuring a perfect match for your needs. What we like. This comprehensive ignition system kit includes 8 ignition coils, platinum spark plugs, and wires, specifically designed for a range of V8 GM vehicles. It emphasizes premium quality components for improved fuel efficiency and extended service life. If you're seeking a direct replacement that meets or exceeds OEM specifications for reliable ignition performance, this package is an excellent option for maintaining your vehicle's health. What people say. The Chevrolet Spark is a great car for city driving, with a small turning radius and easy parking. It has a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, with comfortable seating for 4 adults. The infotainment system is user-friendly, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Number 2. Chevrolet Spark Windshield Sunshade, 2016 to 2022. Protect your car's interior from the harsh sun. This custom-fit sunshade is designed specifically for your 2016 to 2022 Chevrolet Spark, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Its reflective material effectively blocks harmful UV rays and reduces interior heat. Keep your car cooler and prevent dashboard fading and cracking. Simply unfold it to cover your windshield and fold it away when not in use. It's designed for quick and convenient daily use. Crafted with high-quality materials, this sunshade is built to last. Enjoy consistent protection for years to come. Support American manufacturing with this premium sunshade. It's made with pride right here in the USA. What we like. This is a custom-fit windshield sunshade designed specifically for the Chevrolet Spark. It's made in the USA and features a reflective surface to keep your car cooler. If you own a Spark and want to protect your interior from sun damage and reduce cabin temperature, this is a practical and vehicle-specific accessory. What people say. The Chevrolet Spark has a surprisingly spacious interior for its small size, offering comfortable seating for 4 adults. Its compact dimensions make it incredibly easy to maneuver and park in tight city spaces, a significant advantage for urban driving. The Spark comes equipped with a user-friendly infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, enhancing connectivity on the go. Number 1. Rightline Gear Range Junior Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Need more room for your adventure? This rooftop cargo carrier easily attaches to your vehicle, giving you extra space without compromising comfort. Don't let the weather ruin your gear. Its waterproof design with welded seams and a coated zipper ensures everything stays dry inside. Made from durable, UV-protected material, this carrier is built to withstand the elements and keep your belongings secure on any journey. Setting it up is a breeze. You can attach it directly to your roof rack or use the included clips for a secure fit on your door frame. When not in use, it conveniently folds down into a small stuffed sack. Everything you need for setup is included. What we like. This is a weatherproof rooftop cargo carrier with a generous 10 cubic feet of storage space. It attaches easily with or without a roof rack and is designed to keep your gear dry. If you need extra space for road trips, camping, or hauling bulky items and want to keep them protected from the elements, this carrier is an ideal solution for maximizing your vehicle's capacity. What people say. The Chevrolet Spark is a great car for city driving, with a small turning radius and good fuel economy. It has a surprisingly spacious interior for its size, with comfortable seating and plenty of legroom. The infotainment system is user-friendly and comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.